biggest bird.
What's that? Walter White!
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
I don't know what you think I've done, but if we were to battle, I've already won. Ask Gus. You don't want to face off against me. I'll stuff you in a barrel and make it toot smoothly. Your sense of duty gets your group into some deep duty. Always getting saved by some samurai booty. I'm a kingpin, cooking crystal in the middle of the day. Having dinner by the pool with the DEA. When you're over with my Aztec GTA. If you ever try to stop Heisenberg getting paid, here's a hot dose. Let me watch you choke on the truth. You look up to me like I'm a pizza on the roof. 'Cause you're a loser, a failure to your whole entire crew. I've seen Walter Jr. handle walkers better than you.
But I'm the biggest bird. 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 Biggest in a castle where you're in Australia. They wanna be like me, but they can't be like this.
Monsters don't frighten me. And you can bite me. I'll be standing right here in my tiny Walter Whiting. I'll bury you faster than your partner stole your whole life. No one saw Shane coming, except for your wife.
Wait, what was that noise?
Mr. Beast! I'm Adolf Hitler, command of the Third Reich. Little known fact, also dope on the mic.
You really thought I wouldn't show up? Now I'm gonna steal your power.